In this lecture, we are going to learn about the basic syntax of Java programming languages. What are the syntax that we have to follow in order to write the Java programming code? So here, as you can see that this is a notepad where I have opened it on my desktop. Now I will try to write my code, and I will also try to explain you the all syntax so that you can also easily follow it. And after writing a code over here, we will go on command prompt and there we will run the code. तो चलिए देखते हैं प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस। जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं ये नोट पैड है, यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम लिखेंगे, सिंटेक्स समझेंगे और फिर कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट पे जाके वहाँ पे प्रोग्राम को रन करेंगे और कैसे रन करना है वो कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट पे जाके देखेंगे। सो लेट्स बिगिन। Now, what are the syntax that we have to follow? That I will write first. Okay, so let's listen. Here it is a class, and I will name the class as Basic Java. Here you have to notice that we have to follow the camel case. Camel case means, as you can see that Basic Java is a single word in which we have written B as capital, and after a Java J is capital. इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि बेसिक जावा जो है एक वर्ड है, इसमें बी कैपिटल लिख रहे हैं, बेसिक एक वर्ड हो गया, जावा दूसरा वर्ड हो गया। तो बेसिक का बी कैपिटल लिखेंगे, जावा का जे कैपिटल लिखेंगे। ये इसको कैमल केस करते हैं जिसको फॉलो करना पड़ता है। जबकि जावा केस सेंसिटिव है तो ये सब फॉलो करना पड़ता है। ये लिख लिए, पहले क्लास बना ली, ये करली ब्रेसेस दिए, मतलब यहाँ से कोड मेरा शुरू होगा। और फिर एक नेक्स्ट स्टेप आता है इसका, दिस वन इज पब्लिक स्टैटिक void main string args. Here we will write. So listen over here. Here is a class basic Java. This is the this curly braces is actually the beginning of the programs. Okay, and this is the main method class. Actually, this is the main method class. And here is the curly braces. And within this curly braces, we write our code. And this is the closing braces for main class method. And this one is the closing braces for class. Okay, this is the I will write over here. Closing for main method, and this one is the closing for class. Okay, this is the syntax that we have to follow. This is the syntax in Java. And what is the does the mean of the public static void mean? This all we are going to learn in the upcoming video lecture. So this code we have to remember in order to write the programming languages. Now we will try to print the hello world. Okay. In order to print, we have to write system.out.print hello world. Okay, we have to put the semicolon in order to close the statement. So here system.out.print is again the syntax that we have to follow in order to print something. System.out.print. Okay, that we have to follow in order to print it. Now we will save this file. We will save this file as, see, the file name, and should be the same as our class name. Okay, so see here, this is the basic Java. This should be same as the class name as well. We have to keep this in our mind, and we will save it as .java. इसको सेव करेंगे डॉट जावा से, क्योंकि डॉट जावा यही फॉलो होता है जावा प्रोग्रामिंग सेव करने के लिए। ठीक है, फिर इसको सेव कर लेंगे। ये सेव कर लेंगे क्योंकि अभी मैंने बनाया था इसलिए वो फिर से पूछ रहा है। After saving this, we will try to run it over on the command prompt. Okay, let's here. New command prompt has been opened. Now we will type directrix. In directrix where I have saved it, I saved it in desktop. Okay, डायरेक्टरीज में डेस्कटॉप में जाके सेव किए तो वहां पे जाके खोलना पड़ेगा वो डिजायर प्रोग्राम को फैच करने के लिए। यहाँ पे चेंज कमांड डेस्कटॉप डीएस, यहाँ पे डेस्कटॉप, मान लीजिए। अब इसके अंदर डायरेक्टरीज क्या क्या है वो देखते हैं कि इसी डायरेक्टरीज में। ओके, इस डायरेक्टरीज में बेसिक जावा डॉट क्लास। अब in order to run this program we have to write, first of all we have to follow two process. One is we have to compile and another one is we have to interpret. In order to compile we have to write that java c, java, it is known as java. This is java, we have to write it java, and once we write this we write the name of our save filed program, basic java dot class. Okay, now we will write it over here, basic java dot java. Okay, this one is basic java dot java. Okay, we will press the, oh there should be the, actually error has been occurred, java c basic java dot java. We will run it. See, there is no error. If there would be error, then some comments will appear over here. So since there is no error, therefore it is now fine. This now the Java basic Java dot Java has been compiled. Now in order to interpret, then only we get the desired output. So in order to print, we write Java. In order to interpret, we only write Java, whereas in order to compile it, we have to write Java C. Here now Java, we simply write basic Java. Now run it. See, hello world has been printed. So this is actually the difficult task. First we have to write on the notepad, then we have to run over on the command prompt in order to print it. But there is alternative options. There are the some IDE such as the Eclipse IDE where we only write the programs, run it, just it gives the desired output. That we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you. Stay tuned with me so that I can explain you more. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Conquer Code. If you have any doubts, please comment it below so that I can solve it.